Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to unbox this Philips earphones. So I've recently ordered it from Amazon and it comes with this packaging, this plastic packaging. So I'll remove it quickly. Here is this plastic thing and here is the earphone in this plastic box. So as you can see, here are all these specifications. So it costs around 270 rupees. I had to pay the delivery charges, so it costed me around 309 to 10 rupees. So it is quite a good product if you're looking for an earphone which is branded also, and it has got a 2 years warranty also. So here you can see, oh my god, I'll just quickly. So here are these user guidelines, and here are these extra AirPods. So here comes the earphones. This is this 3.5 mm. It's usual earphones. All these earphones have the same thing. And now you can see, look at the wire. It's quite big and the quality looks okay. The quality is nice. Also these earphones, they look comfortable. Here you can have a closer look to the earphones, and it also looks lightweighted and it's the usual one. So let's check the audio quality and all these stuff, the mic and stuff, because that's what is important. Because you often buy these local earphones and what happens that they don't have that good quality audio, or the mic is not working. So let me just quickly check it. So I'm playing this music from my phone. I'll just, so here the sound is pretty nice and I think it's really good at this budget. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more.